Okay, so I finally got a chance to take out my new bike. This is the Vitacci GTX 250 EFI. EFI just means electronic fuel injected, which is better on gas. It's a little more precise. But I'll tell you what, this bike was $3,000. $3,000, right? Brand new, 2022. It's just, dude, it's amazing. I've already taken it out on the highway. I'm 125 pounds, so it went 85, 87. You know, what you'd expect. I'm sure I could tune it, get it to go 95, maybe 100. But this thing is awesome, man. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Let me show you the dash also. It's probably one of my more favorite things on the bike. It's this little flash and the digital dash. This gas tank looks sweet, man. But yeah, I mean, it's just like any other 250. It's so conveniently, I was able to buy these LEDs from, what was it, AutoZone, and they fit perfectly in the mirror slots. So I got lucky with that. I'm here at the casino. I'm gonna go do a little drive-through, you know, in the garage, of course. But here, I'll go ahead and start it up so you can get it here from it's my iPhone I got. I don't know what my camera's gonna sound like. Only 69 miles so far. I gotta break this thing in. It's a 6-speed transmission. Got some nice tires, which also need to be worn in. But to be brand new, 2022 with the title, no issues like when you buy a used bike. My guy at Fenton Power Sports, he hooked it up, man. I'll tell you that, he hooked it up. This is the perfect style. This is considered or considerably comparable to the Amazon bikes, or the bikes you can order on Amazon. So just somewhat of a comparison. No issues yet. Starts right up every time. Smooth shift. Yeah, enough of this. So I'll go through this garage real quick.